Hey garden friend, welcome back to Dirt Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, you're in the right place for practical, science-backed tips. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today I'm showing you a simple, surprising trick I use to grow huge, healthy peppers, and you can grab it right from your grocery store. This is one of those hacks that's easy, affordable, and really works. Let's decode this pepper growing hack. What's the trick? Epsom salt. That's right, something you might already have at home. Yep, that cheap little bag in the pharmacy aisle is packed with magnesium sulfate, which peppers absolutely love. It's a hidden gem for gardeners. Magnesium does three big things for your plants. It helps them produce more chlorophyll, so those leaves get super green. That means more energy for your plant and better growth overall. It boosts how well your peppers absorb nutrients from the soil. When your plants can take up more nutrients, they grow stronger and produce more fruit. And it helps set more fruit and cuts down on blossom drop, meaning more peppers for you. That's a win for any gardener. So how do you use it? Let's break it down step by step. Once your pepper plants are established, about 6 to 8 inches tall, here's what I do. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water. Make sure it's fully dissolved for even application. Use it as a foliar spray. Just mist those leaves, or drench the soil right at the base every 2 weeks. Both methods work, so pick what's easiest for you. You can also mix a pinch into the planting hole when you're transplanting seedlings. This gives young plants a great start. Here are some best practices. A little planning goes a long way. First, don't overdo it. More isn't better with Epsom salt. Stick to the recommended amount. Too much can actually throw things off. You want to help your plants, not stress them out. Combine your Epsom salt routine with compost or worm tea for balanced nutrition. Healthy soil is the real secret to thriving peppers. Bell peppers, chili peppers, sweet peppers, they all benefit. No matter what variety you grow, this tip can help. And hey, tomatoes love a little Epsom salt too, so give it a try. You might be surprised by the results. Let's talk a few more pepper tips. These little tweaks can make a big difference. Peppers love heat, but mulch helps conserve moisture and keeps roots happy. It also helps prevent weeds and keeps the soil temperature steady. Pinch off those early flowers so the plant focuses on growing strong roots instead of fruit right away. This leads to bigger harvests later. And for tall varieties, don't forget to stake or cage them. Nobody likes a snapped stem right before harvest. Final thoughts. Growing great peppers isn't hard. You just need to give them the right nutrients at the right time. With a little care, your plants will reward you. And sometimes the answer is already in your kitchen. Don't overlook those simple solutions. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Dirt Decoded. We've got plenty more tips coming your way. I'm the Soil Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening!